my peeps, it is time to make the donuts. But first, safety first. Bam! All gloved up. So today, we're going to use your basic mixture, your 2-to-1 baking soda citric acid, with a little bit of SLSA for some bubbles. But first, let's move these things out of the way so we can get to that mixer. So first thing you're going to do is take off the lid, make sure everything's tight. Then you're going to pour in your baking soda, and then you're going to pour in your citric acid, because that is what makes things fizz. And then, because you want the bubbles and some foaming, you're going to put in your SLSA, just a little bit. Now this does get a little bit cloudy, so wear a mask. Put the lid back on, and you can pulse it or mix it. You can also use a stand mixer or your hands, but you're going to really want to make sure this is mixed. Next, you're going to grab your Poly 80 with your oil. I use jojoba for this mix. Now the Poly 80 helps keep the tub from getting slippery and also keeps it from having a coloring, because nobody wants to have to deal with the mess of the coloring after the funness of the color bomb. Am I right? We have the jojoba oil, great for the skin, not too heavy for the bath bomb. So pour that in until you see it start to get a little bit chunky. And don't forget to mix the sides and the bottom. So for this batch, we're using cotton candy from Crafter's Choice and Wholesale Supplies Plus. Links will be in the description box. So you're going to pour that in and start mixing again until that gets a little bit chunky as well. Make sure it's incorporated. Cotton candy is great because it's sweet but not too syrupy. Do you like my moo-moo? It's my grandma moo-moo. It's very comfy. So there we have, it's like snow, our little chunky mix. Here I have a little customized blend of the Super Sparkle White Diamond Mica and Pink Vibrance from Crafter's Choice and Nurture Soap. I wanted a very light cotton candy pink, but I wanted it to have a lot of glitter, so we put those in this handy little mixer and then poured it in. See that sparkle? That's gonna be fun. Warning, the sparkle will get everywhere, so it's like a super spreader glitter catastrophe. So you're going to remix that. You're going to want to make sure that that goes from white to pink all over. Mix through a little bit with your spatula so it's incorporated. Blend, blend, blend. Then you're going to take it out, pour it in a wider bowl so that it is easier to grab the mix out of and easier to work with. See how fun that pink is? And that cotton candy, it's just dreamy. So you're also going to want to have on hand a little spray bottle of either witch hazel or isopropyl alcohol, either 91 or 99%, just for an additional binder. It's been pretty dry out here, especially when I made these, so I did need a few sprays of this just to kind of keep it together. And then you know it's good when you can grab and squeeze it. It holds, but then when you drop it back in the bowl, it doesn't fall apart. Gonna get those gloves on because we mean business. So now we're going to start with a 2.5-inch donut from Cada Molds. Link for this will also be in the description. So you're going to fill, but you don't want to overpack. Clear the little donut hole spot. Place the other side on and squeeze. Now tapping the mold also can help with the release, both the bath bomb and your tension. And then we open it. And it's so cute. But don't let the cuteness fool you, because it fell apart when I tried to put it down to dry. So back in the bowl it went. And then more spray, because we needed more binder. So here's attempt number 2. Actually closer to attempt number 5. But for timing's sake, I spared y'all the naughty behavior that these were giving me. So yay for editing. So go ahead and give a squeeze, little tap, because it's been bad. Then pray to the bath body goddesses that this one sticks. Tap, tap, tap. Push it through the ring. And then you tap it nicely, because please work. Yay! Let's try the bottom. And maybe tap, tap, tap. And yay! This one worked, and the next few actually did work after this, which really helped my sanity. Now these are all so adorable, and they will be in the Etsy shop individually or in half-dozen boxes. These are great for gifting for yourself or for others with the holidays coming up, or just because. So we're going to make a few more of these, place them on the sheet. Now these were cotton candy scented. I also have some other scents coming out. We have a chai latte vanilla coming out, a white chocolate. The white chocolate will have a chocolate kind of a ganache drizzle on top. But be sure to look for those in the Etsy shop. That is etsy.com/shop/sweetgeekretrochic. Also be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and now there's a Twitter and a TikTok. Just look up Sweet Geek Retro Chic. And stay tuned at the end of this video, because I have a little bonus footage. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. This let out a lot of aggression this week. It was really needed. But see, they're just so cute, you kind of can't help it. And thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And now here's that bonus content. You get to watch the video of me unfolding some huge balls that I made for a special order. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Bye-bye.